So, hi guys! Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa yung marble nails on my nails. So, gagamit tayo nitong fake nails. And then, for base coat, I use Coco. Kasi, I experience a lot of, na maganda siya for base coat. So, yun, apply lang natin siya before we put ng pinaka-base natin na white bago tayo mag-apply ng watercolor para mag-effect siya na marble talaga. So, yan, medyo matagalan tayo mag-apply. Then, after that, cure lang natin siya na at least 30 minutes. So, after nun, tsaka natin ipapatong yung base coat natin na white. So, let's proceed to our base, which is the color white. So this is our first coat, and then so yun, apply lang tayo. Then after that, pwede natin siya i-cure ng mga 30 minutes din. So it's up to you if you want to cure siya ng 60 minutes, but for me pwede naman na siya ng 30 minutes. So, after 30 minutes, apply tayo ulit ng second coat for the base coat natin. And then, before po natin ilagay yung pinaka-watercolor for the effect na po ng marble. So, cure natin 30 minutes. So, after natin siya i-cure ng 30 minutes, second coat natin for white. And then, after that, cure natin ng 30 minutes ulit. And then, after ng cure ng 30 minutes, doon natin i-apply yung watercolor for the effect na po ng marble natin. So, there guys. So, after ng curing natin for second coat ng white, apply na natin yung sa watercolor. So, for this one, ginamit ko po yung Born Pretty na watercolor kasi as review for mga nail tech, much better talaga to use the Born Pretty brand ng watercolor. So, let's apply. After natin i-apply yung watercolor guys, no need natin siya i-cure kasi doon natin ilalagay yung which is yung parang magma-marble effect. So I use color black na for effect na po. And then yun, may kita nyo kung paano mag-effect na marble talaga using the watercolor na Born Pretty. So let's watch guys. So, if hindi pa kayo guys kontento dun sa black, pwede naman tayo mag-add ng details. Like, for this one kasi guys, nag-add ako ng gold para lang mas emphasize yung design natin for marble. So, may kita nyo kung gaano ka details yung pagka-marble nitong nails na to. Just watch! natin siya i-cure ng 30 seconds. Tada! Here's our marble nails. So, kung mapapansin nyo, I use ng top coat na Coco din. Better talaga gamitin guys yung brand ni Coco kasi I usually use din ng polish nila. So, quality talaga. Tumatagal siya, not just 2 weeks. Yun. So, watch lang tayo ulit guys. And tada! Here's our marble nails. Much better to guys pag nakita niyo set sa mismong nails nyo. Promise you won't regret it. Thank you for watching guys. Until next video. Bye! Kasi hindi pa ako nakontento. So, nag-add more details pa ako ng black, white, and gold. And then, tada! So, clear lang natin siya ulit para mas luto. So, ito siya. And then, for top coat, I use naman po nung Coco din for top coat. Kasi, maganda talaga yung kinakalabasan kapag Coco yung gamit. So, tada! Ito na yung marble nails natin. Kaya, kung makita nyo guys talaga, sobrang ganda niya. Lalo na kung naka-apply talaga siya sa pinaka-nails nyo. Tapos, mag-add pa kayo ng accent like glitters. Ganun, sobrang ganda nito guys. So, use your Born Pretty watercolor for marble design. Bye guys! Thank you for watching!